Bonjour, bonjour, beautiful people from YouTube. How are you all doing today? My name is Cyril. I used to be a stem cell researcher for quite some time, and this is why I can tell you about the science behind skincare ingredient. And because the Black Friday is coming, I thought that I am going to do a little video about the best of the French pharmacy products. I didn't include all the product that I know, or else it is going to be like a forever long video. So maybe you don't have time to stay with me for 2 hours. I mean, we all have a busy life. So let's start it and let's diving into this a little bit of products. I have two products from the French brand SVR. The reasons because I'm going to film another video really dedicated to SVR because this is a brand where I do find some products very interesting, but I still wanted to include those two because they are so good. So if you can try one of those products, you will see how amazing they are. Okay, so we are going to start with how to cleanse your face. Of course, I have the first product actually is not a proper French pharmacy product. This is not even a French brand. Actually, I think it is German. No, yeah, I think it is. This is simply from Nivea, but I wanted to include it because this product is insanely affordable. I can get it on my local supermarket. It retails for €5. And you have 150 ml, and this is a cleansing oil that is also fragrance free. It works really, really well. It doesn't stink my eyes. I mean, this product is like a hit and so inexpensive. This is the Nivea. So I only have the name in French, actually. This is the Huile Démaquillante Apaisante. I'm going to show it to you. So this one right here. So if you can try this one, try it because super affordable. It works really well. Also, something about those cleansing oil, I don't talk about it very often, simply because they can be a little bit pricey, but you can wash your hands with it. So not if you have been outside for a long time, especially right now, use a proper cleansing bar, etc., like a water-based product. But if you're at home, you did some mess, you need to wash your hand, use a cleansing oil because it will be gentler for your skin, and you do exactly like for your face, you use it on dry hand, massage it well, and then you rinse them. I mean, with this one, it is so affordable, go for it. So the other one is also a cleansing oil. This one is from the French brand Uriage. How can I say this in English? Uriage? No idea, but this is Uriage in French, and this is the purifying oil. I mean, forget about the purifying. This is basically a cleansing oil to remove makeup and sunscreen, all that jazz right here. Very, very lovely one. It does have a perfume. It is not too fragrant. I mean, if you already know Uriage, this is the Uriage smell. It's not too offensive. Would have preferred that it was fragrance free. Yes, simply because I'm not too big into this perfume, but it works really well. This is a pretty thin oil, I have to say. It does rinse nicely. Is it the best one? No, but it's pretty affordable, easy to get if you live in France or if you have access to French pharmacy products. The other one that is still in my shower, this is simply the cleansing foam from Uriage. This one also is very, very good. The foam is really nice. It is also pretty affordable in France. At least this is also a good one. This is an acidic pH. The detergent in it are so gentle. One of them is Decyl glucoside. I mean, this is a hit. Now, if you're looking for a water-based cleanser that is a little bit not harsher, let's say stronger, especially if you have oilier skin type, or simply you have spent the day outside, you have reapplied your sunscreen over and over again, or you just wear a ton of makeup, you can try one of those cleansing bar. One that is excellent is from Aven. This is the cold cream. What is in English? The ultra rich cleansing bar. This one also has an acidic pH around 6. I have measured it myself using a pH paper. This one also is quite good. It is targeting, I mean, this is what they say for dry to very dry sensitive skin. No, if you have super dry skin, this one will be too stripping for you, but this is a really, really lovely one. One of the detergent in this one is sodium cocoyl isethionate, a long name. It's very, very lovely. I like the sort of creamy foam that it makes. This one also contains a perfume. This is the Avène perfume, but this is really a lovely one. Also, if you just want like a cleansing bar for your hands, this one is a good one. Okay, now let's move on to hydrating products. The two that I'm going to show you are insanely good. I was actually, with the first time that I've tried them, I was simply shocked about how good they are. The first one is from SVR. This is the Essence Hydra B3 Repairing Solution, Moisturizing and Replumping. This one right here. So it uses hyaluronic acid. It also have 2% of niacinamide. I mean, this product is insanely good. Like really, it's very it's like the French dupe for almost the premium lotion from Adalabo that I love so much. Is it high hydrating as the premium lotion? No, but it is more hydrating like the Coco Jung lotion, the classic one. This one is in between. This is really a really well done product. I'm really into this one right now. The other one is also from SVR. This is also in the B3 line. This is the Ampoule Hydra. I have made several videos about this one. This one is insanely good. I am out of it. I have like a little bit. This one use different forms of hyaluronic acid, 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. One of them is hyaluronic acid cross polymer, which is a big form of hyaluronic acid. So this one is going to plump up your skin like crazy. What I found really amazing about this one is that usually what you find on the market with those type of hyaluronic acid based serum is that it is combined with provitamin B5, which I'm fine, but this one is combined with niacinamide, which is even better, and the concentration is about 5%, so a really sweet and perfect concentration. Why? Because this is how it has been studied in the paper to have the efficacy of niacinamide. You need it to a product to be formulated between 4 and 5%. So, I mean, this one, lovely. Another one that is very famous also, I think, in the world is from Aderma. This is a moisturizer. This is the Crème de Soins Nutritive, the skincare cream nourishing from Aderma. This one right here. This is a very simple formula, but really well done. So like all Aderma product, it contains oat. Oat is very soothing on the skin. What I love about this one is also the texture. The texture is creamy, but doesn't feel like too heavy. It spreads like a charm. This is a really good one. So if your skin tends to be sensitive and you are looking like for a good moisturizer, try this one. It is also very inexpensive. You can buy this one in different sizes. This one comes in 150 ml, so you do have a lot. It is very affordable. What I found amazing is that it is fragrance free, but when you smell it, it smells a little bit of oat. You really need to smell it. It's pretty amazing. I really like it. The next 3 products are also moisturizer. They are all from Bioderma, and they are probably the most recent one actually. So they have 3. The first one is from Atoderm. This is the Xerean. This is the Soothing Nourishing Balm. This one right here. All those new products, they come in this new packaging, which is like a sort of LS tube. They call it the tube LS. It's not like a proper LS, but close to. So you have like a hole on the back. So you need like to press, to put your fingers on top, like to press and dispense the product. So this is the first one. The other one is the Cicabio Restore from Bioderma. So those two, they are in reality very similar. The main difference is that the Xerean, this one, will be less nourishing, less moisturizing than the Cicabio Restore. Both of them have an amazing texture, which is something that is not that often actually. I find like on the French pharmacy. This one is really reminiscent of one of those, you know, Korean and Japanese moisturizers. So they feel very creamy and almost like a lotion. I'm very impressed about those ones. They are also very affordable, very simple. They don't have any perfume or etc. So if you have more normal to combination skin, try the Xerean one. Also you get 150 ml. You can of course use them like on a body part, or if you have more normal to drier skin type, use the Cicabio Restore, so this one. The other product, but I do advise you to use this one like only in the evening, is an eye cream that contains how much? 100 ml. Yes, this is probably the biggest eye cream on the planet right now. This is also from Bioderma. This is the Atoderm Intensive Eye. This one. So the main ingredient of this one is mineral oil. Mineral oil is currently the best occlusive that we have. So if you have dry under eyes, this one is going to be a savior, or any very dry patches that you may have. However, for this one, you need to use it only in the evening. I don't see how you can make it work on the morning unless you have the driest skin, probably on the planet. In that case, yes, or else, no. What I like to do about this one is that in the evening, I do my skincare routine, and at the end, I'm going to apply like a thick layer under my eyes, but I try to not go too close to my waterline, or else it's going to migrate, and I'll let it like sip. And I let it sink in like for an hour, maybe even more. And just before I go to bed, I just remove the excess. But you will see how smooth your under eyes will be with this one. Okay, the last two products. One of them you already know it because it has been like probably the best discovery of my life. I think I've discovered it last year probably, and this is to me the best lip balm. Really, I have very dry lips, very chapped lips. Most of the products, they are not working, or they work like very temporarily, but this one is insane. This is also from Uriage. This is the Barrier-Derm, the ointment for fissures and cracks. So with this one you get 40 grams, so it's very big. This one is not made for the lips originally. It is made like for every like chapped fingers, those type of things, but you can use it on your lips and you will see how plumpy your lips will be. It is also fragrance free. You get a ton. I mean, this one I've already bought maybe 4 pots. I think this is my 4th pot, this one. I mean, I adore this product and I just cannot live with this one. The last product that I want to show you today, and I think I've also already talked about it, this is a deodorant that contains aluminum. Don't be afraid about aluminum. There are so much crap that is talk about aluminum. No, it is safe, so don't worry. So to me, it is very important to find a deodorant that is first of all working, because I don't want to be sweaty. I don't want to be smelly, but I always have an issue with deodorant that have a perfume, because I either don't like the perfume or I just get bored of the perfume after a certain time. I'm like, oh, again, this perfume, I don't like it. I also don't like that the perfume can interfere with my own perfume, like the fragrance that I like to wear. And also I do find that like during the day, the smell of the perfume tend to change with the transpiration and etc. I mean, I do prefer to find a deodorant without any perfume, which is almost impossible to find. But there is one from the French brand Ducré, which is the Hydrosis Controlled Roll-On Anti-Transparent. What are you in English? The Anti-Perspirant Roll-On. This one. This one is absolutely amazing. Really, it is fragrance-free, so it has absolutely no smell, but it's very efficient. It doesn't have also any alcohol. So if you have sensitive skin and etc., try this one from Ducré. It is an amazing one. So basically that's it. Tell me down below if you have ever tried one of those products, or if you can have access actually to those French products, because I do not know. Frankly, I wanted also to film this video for my French channel, because I have like a zillion of questions about French pharmacies. And I did a video about French pharmacy products like a while ago. And you did really like it a lot, so here we are. So if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram. I have 2 accounts, one in English and one in French. I also give you some preview from time to time. Also rumble about other stuff related to skincare and etc. So go and check my Instagram accounts. And that's it for today. Au revoir. Bye bye. Salut.